Hi, Tom here for DiyAirCaster. Welcome to my shop. My garage here is 24 by 32. I like to work with metal. I also like to work with wood. The trouble with woodworking equipment is generally it takes up a lot of room in your shop to have it set up all the time. So I store all my machinery against the wall. So now we're going to move my 18-inch bandsaw away from the wall out to the middle of the floor. Turn the vac on, pressure up the platform, float your saw to where you need it in the floor. Turn the vac off, it goes down on the floor. Do your cuts, and when you're done with it, it's in the way. Turn the vac back on, pressure up the platform, float it back against the wall. Pretty slick. Now you can have bigger, more powerful machinery that you don't have room for. You can store it against the wall and just float them out into the middle of the floor when you need to use them. If you're interested to see how I put together the bottom of that platform, check out our website. I think you'll find it interesting. Thank you.